PCView Solutions, SnapVue, Remote Connected Frontline Workers, Episode 5, Electronic Operations and Maintenance Logs. Long gone are the days when messages only came to you via SMS messages tied to your mobile phone number. Now, there is Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook Messenger, Line, and the list goes on and on. Why then would you want to use yet another messaging system to talk to your remote connected workers? The answer is because you want to associate that message history with the time, location, equipment, and individuals involved with the incident. There is great value in maintaining the history of those conversations with the operation and maintenance records. In short, you want an electronic logbook. The logs of the chat history that are created must have the ability to keep attachments, include voice, photos, and video. For security and practical reasons, this messaging system must not rely on access to the internet to work properly. The logs must be searchable and have archive capability under the management of the company IT servers. Consider our past example in Episode 1. You can watch the first episode of our series for more details. Kurt at the hydro plant can show Joel what's going on with the control valve by simply using his phone and taking a video of the situation, even though they are far apart geographically. For the moment, they are looking at the problem valve together. Mike at the hospital is getting advice from Anne, his SME for HVAC. Anne can send Mike documents that support his work or even simple videos showing Mike how to perform specific tasks to resolve the issue. Of course, some conversations are valuable historical records, and some are routine and historically mundane. In order to keep the log easier to manage, the system will not retain the unwanted messages over a specified period of time. To summarize, SnapVue helps you in two ways. Instant Message System allows real-time exchange of text, video, or picture for step-by-step guidance or remote assistance. Post-events analysis is possible with the message history, with the time, location, equipment, and individuals involved with the incident. In next episode, we will cover holistic operations and maintenance. Stay tuned.